board 1 and attach the fixed shaft with the soft hammer. Step 1. Attach the stopper to board 1 with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach bushes to board 1 with the given screws using screwdriver. Step 2. Attach board 3 to board 2, ensuring the dowels are properly inserted in its hole, and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the bush to board 3 with the given screws using screwdriver. Step 3. Pick board 4 and attach the metal shaft with the given screws using screwdriver. Turn the board 4 upside down and attach the metal shaft on other side with the given screws using screwdriver. Step 4. Pick and place the board 4 with metal shaft on board 5. Make sure the holes are aligned and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Step 5. Pick board 6 and attach it to the metal shaft with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach knob to board 5 with the given knob screw using screwdriver. Step 6. Attach boards 2 and 3 to board 1. Attach the already fixed board 4, 5, and 6. 5 to board 1. Attach the guide shaft in the fixed shaft hole and tighten the M4 screws. Repeat the process for other 2 fixed units of board 3, 4, and 5. Step 7. Attach board 9 to board 8. Step 8. Attach board 7 vertically to board 1. Attach boards 8 and 9 vertically to board 1. Step 9. Place board 10. Step 10. Now tighten the already fixed units of boards 4, 5, and 6 to board 7 with the given guide shaft and M4 screws using screwdriver. Carefully flip the unit. Step 11. Tighten board 1 with the given screws using screwdriver. Now carefully turn the unit upright. Open the flip drawer and slide in board 11 to the slot in the metal shaft. Repeat the process for other 2 flip drawers. We recommend wall mounting the product for child safety. Your product is ready.